For this LED quick practical, you're going to require 2 connecting leads, your LED with a resistor in series, and 2 crocodile clips. And then the first thing that you need to do is put 1 crocodile clip on the end of each of the leads. So let's get that done. Crocodile clip on the end of there, and crocodile clip on the end of there. And first of all, you're going to have the diode facing in this direction, and you're going to connect from the power supply. Make sure that your power supply is turned up to 10 or 12 volts from the positive end of the power supply to this end of the LED, and then from the LED using the crocodile clip back to the power supply, and then you can turn on your power supply and see what happens. And then once you've done that, you can switch off your power supply again and then disconnect your LED, rotate your LED so it's connected the other way round, and reconnect it up and switch on the power supply and see what happens.